Greetings to you all, brothers and sisters, and welcome to this new edition of Prayer is the Key. I'll be talking to you guys on what is prayer. Prayer is a means of communication with God as Christians. But I will define it plainly. Prayer is a means of communication with the spirit realm. Prayer is a means by which we in the physical realms we communicate with those in the spiritual realm, because those in the spiritual realm are higher than us. So we have this means. We have what is called prayers, which is the means in which we communicate with them. You know, in our physical realm, when you want to communicate with your father, you want to communicate with your mother, it's no longer called communication. We have what we call dialogue, we have a talk, we have a speech, we have a debate, and we have an essay. Those are means in which we communicate in the physical realms with one another. But when it comes to physical to spiritual, there is just one means, that is a means of prayers. So prayer is a means of communication, or communicating with the spirit realm, with those in the spirit realm. So you know, as human beings, we seek for answers to a lot of questions like what, how, who, when, and why. And us physical men, we are unable to give answers to those 5 questions. And now we are seeking for a higher realm. We are seeking for people in a higher realm who can answer us those questions. And the realm that is higher than the physical realm is the spiritual realm. And that is why we need to pray in order to get answers to our questions, in order to get responses to our requests. So as a Christian, you must have an attitude of always praying, because that is a means in which you communicate with God. That is a means in which you lay your heart desires or your burdens to God. So you must have a life. You must live a life that prays all the time. You must pray all the time. Like if you look in the Bible from the book of Genesis to Revelation, you discover that there are a lot of verses that talks of prayers. From the book of Genesis to Revelation, it talks of prayers. Moses prayed. The means in which Moses communicated with God through prayers. Abraham communicated with God through prayers. So prayer is a very important foundation in Christianity. Like we can look in the life of Jesus Christ. The Bible says in Matthew chapter 4 from verse 1, that Jesus Christ, the Spirit of the Lord led Jesus Christ into the wilderness, and he fasted and prayed for 40 days and 40 nights. You see that prayer is a foundation, a Christian foundation. So as I said, a means of communication. It's with prayer that we know the future. When you pray, you communicate with those in the spirit realm, and you can get revelation from them. They reveal to you and they answer to you the questions you ask. So as I said, prayer is a very important foundation in the Christendom. So prayer is very important. If you are a Christian and you are not known for prayer, that means you are doing a very great mistake. Christians are known for prayers. Christians are known for prayer. That is why we usually say prayer is the key. As a Christian, to constantly be in fire, you must constantly be in prayers, because prayer is what will work out things for you. Prayer is what will fight the battle. You can't fight your battle with a closed mouth. It's in prayers you do it. With a closed mouth, they usually say a closed mouth is a closed destiny. That is why we need to pray. And that is why prayer is the key too. Prayer is a key that opens doors. That is why when you are in need of marital breakthrough, you will always find yourself praying. And after the prayer, you discover that you have had marital breakthrough. That means prayer, it was the key to open that door for marital breakthrough. God bless you abundantly, and please don't forget to like, don't forget to subscribe, and don't forget to share this video. Prayer is the key, and keep a constant prayer life. God bless you.